Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, Dr. Annie Noreni binti Muhammad Zain. My name is Azrein bin Raja Ibrahim. My matrix number A18L0025EP. Today, I'm going to presenting about AFT 2103 business statistics in here. As introductions to predictions of modeling in statistics, here is about predicting modeling uses statistics to predict outcomes. Most often, the event one wants to predict is the future, but predictive modeling can be applied to any type of unknown event, regardless of when it occurred. For example, predictive models are often used to detect crimes and identify suspects after the crime has taken place. Another side, we can see the predictive modeling is about deployment, monitor and improve part of processing data, mining, and also multi-validations of result, also understanding business and data. Another part also, we focus more on prepared data and another types of model data, evaluation, and also deployment. So this is what we call a criteria of predictive modeling is about. And next, identifying variables, list the independence, dependence, and control. Number one, study is about what it was done to find it different tire tracks affect the braking system and distance of a car. Number two, a study was done to measure the cleaning effectiveness of different brands and these washers. They all had a water source. Number three, a study was done to see how the length of the blades of helicopters affected their maximum flying speed. Another side, we can see regressions of meaning. Regressions is a statistical technique that relates dependence variables to one or more independent explanatory variables. Regressions model is able to show whether changes observed in the independence variable are associated with changes in one or more of the explanatory variables. Another part, we can see here's the types of regressions in selections for car brands and the performance here. So we can see the models around. Another side, we can see the types of regressions models in here by positive linear relationships. Another part of relationships are not linear. Another down graph also shows that negative linear relationships and also no relationships. In here, we can see the types of regressions model. Okay, in the multiple regressions in statistics, the multiple regressions is a statistical tool used to derive the value of a criterions from several other independent or predictor variables. It is the simultaneous combinations of multiple factors to assess how and to what extent they affect a certain outcomes. So that's the multiple regressions model. Here we can see a summary of predictive modeling in statistics. By regressions analysis is a statistical tool that helps evaluate relationships between a dependent variables and one or more independent or predictor variables. So here by specifically it helps understanding how the dependence variable changes with changes in the independent variables and thus finds its applications in forecasting and predicting and more. But the last but not least, for sure, with the highest special thanks to University of Malaysia Kelantan and also lecturer of AFT 2103 Business Statistics, Dr. Annie Noreni binti Muhammad Zain. Thanks a lot, Doctor, and bye-bye.